ए अरे भाई, आजा आजा। विजेंद्र मिश्रा सर क्लास है। बंक? आर यू गोइंग टू बंक? Okay, I am also going to bunk. I will keep the biometric and I will bunk.
Get inside the class. What are you doing? Get inside the class. Now come. Where are you going?
The biometric.
No, at first I will do the biometric and then you all can start.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you sit down. Sit down.
Sir, you are switching off the lights.
I know. You don't need to explain everything. When I can do all the things, so you don't need to explain it. Okay. Now you sit down. Don't sit on the copy. Okay.
You are authorized.
Okay. Yeah, you all do that. Till then I am starting the smart board.
You are not authorized.
How are you using your legs? In the case when you had authorized first, why did you use?
Sir.
Why did you use? You use that. How can that fit into the small corner?
Sir, it is called eye pressure insertion.
Oh yeah, you can do whatever you had did in that class. Now I will teach today about.
You are authorized.
Oh wow, you are the first person in the world who has used pumps to get authorized.
Thank you, sir.
So today we will read about pteridophyta and bryophyte. So I can
Sir,
take.
yesterday there was fight
Who had fight? Actually,
between bryophyte and pteridophyte.
oh yeah, actually they both are suspended. So I made them out from the NIFTM. As you know, I am the Dean Student Welfare here.
Sir,
So actually,
yesterday I got one letter but it did not reach me.
which letter are you talking? Huh?
Love letter.
From whom did you get love letters? What's the name of that person?
That girl, sir.
Oh, you got level. See, actually you are in first year, so now you don't need to concentrate on this thing. Huh? So as you go first, you go in third year, or then you go in fourth year. Then you need to
Sir,
concentrate on these
I
things.
want to add some jokes, sir.
So no, this is not a joke class. I am already there to give so many jokes.
Sir, but
You
you're
will
telling
laugh
Hindi,
in the
sir.
whole class. Okay, no problem. How you can speak Hindi? You are from Tamil. Are you Vishal?
Yes, sir, I am Vishal.
So how you can speak in Hindi? This is you have already posted one joke. Okay, so let me take the attendance. So
You should speak in Hindi.
हाँ तो सबकी हो गई attendance?
क्या?
All have put their attendance?
What is he saying?
All of you, I mean, all students have punched their attendance.
Okay.
He's speaking in Hindi. I understand.
Okay. So today we will talk about bryophytes and pteridophytes. जैसे सचिन है ना, सचिन वो कभी जीरो पे भी आउट होता था पर उसने कभी हार नहीं मानी. वैसे ही ना अर्थ had started and then there were so many hurdles and so many difficulties. What happened? Why are you laughing?
Sir, I thought it was a joke.
No, actually I am telling how the life originated on Earth.
Sir, how the bryophyte will transfer the egg, fertilize their egg?
I will teach everything today, but let me start at first how life originated on Earth. So let me start. See, at first there was no life on Earth, and then
Sir, there was
Why
no
are
life
you-
on Earth.
yeah, there was no life on Earth, and in fact there was no life. There was nothing except dark matter and dark universe. So at first there occurred a Big Bang. There's a Big Bang theory.
Big Bang is not. It's very bad, sir. You should not watch.
No, I am talking about the Big Bang theory, not about the Big Bang. What are you thinking?
Oh,
Okay.
sir, Big Bang theory is very
So let
funny.
me-
No,
let
this
me-
was not Big Bang. That was Bang Bang.
Yeah.
No.
Let me teach at first.
In Star movies, there is Big Bang theory. It is very.
Don't talk. बातें नहीं, यहाँ पे पढ़ाई चल रही है, फिर सिलेबस भी खत्म करना रहता है. बाकी सबका सिलेबस
Sir.
रुक जाओ. बाकी सबका सिलेबस आगे चल रहा है। वैसे भी बायोलॉजी को तुम लोग उतना इम्पोर्टेंस देते नहीं हो, बट यू नीड इट इन फर्दर ईयर्स और इन नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर। जहाँ भी जाओगे वहाँ बायोमेट्रिक की जरूरत होगी, ठीक है सर। दिस चेयर डज नॉट गो सो बिलो, जहाँ तक तुम ले गए ये उतना नीचे जाता नहीं है और ये इतना ऊपर भी नहीं जाता है। सो तुम पिछले क्लास केडी सर के क्लास में भी तुम कुछ कर रहे थे, तो हमने लेटर लिखा है वीसी सर को, तो तुम शायद एक्सपेंड हो सकते।
चूतिया।
देखो यहाँ कोई वल्गर वर्ड नहीं यूज करना है, ठीक है। कोई वल्गर वर्ड नहीं यूज करना है। पॉज कर अबे। सो आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे ब्रायोफाइट्स, हाउ लाइफ ओरिजिनेटेड ऑन अर्थ। सो एट फर्स्ट देयर वाज वन थ्योरी व्हिच इज नोन एज Haldan theory, and Haldan postulate was that all organic matters evolved from inorganic substances. So बायो की क्लास में तुम बायोलॉजिस्ट मत बनो, तुम मानो बायो की क्लास है पर इसमें कोई बायोलॉजिकल नहीं होना है, ठीक है। So I am getting it.
No, I am from South India. I have coconut farm.
Oh, you have coconut. So do you grow biophytes?
No sir, I cannot grow beard. It is not growing.
नाइस जोक, अच्छा जोक था, सही है। जो अपनी दाढ़ी नहीं बढ़ा सकता वो ब्रायोफाइट्स कैसे बढ़ाएगा। So see at first today we will talk about biology, and you can see how all the pteridophytes came. So what are you doing? You have no courtesy or manners. तुम कहाँ पे आए हो? ये तमिलनाडु नहीं है।
All the Rajini fans.
It is not Tamil Nadu and it is not a music class, so you should just concentrate on your studies. So,
sir, don't laugh again, sir. I am heart patient.
Oh, you are heart patient. You don't have heart. So how can you be a heart patient? If you would have a heart, then you would have some courtesies, manners in the class. What you are doing?
Sorry, sir.
So you should not repeat it again.
Shukriya.
Otherwise, I will again laugh like
Shukriya,
this.
sir. Shukriya, sir.
Nice. So,
sir, but only one request. You can talk in Hindi, do whatever you want, but never laugh again.
No, I can't stop my laugh. I can stop my breath, but I can't stop my laugh. So, see, आज हम लोग यहाँ पे पढ़ेंगे। अभी तुमने पढ़ाई अभी तक शुरू नहीं करने दी, तुम्हारे कारण आज पूरी क्लास डिस्टर्ब रही। तुम्हें बोल रहा हूँ, You stupid person.
Sir,
I am talking about you. कहाँ से आए हो तुम? जंगल से आए हो?
From where you have come?
From where have you come? Have you come from the
I
forest?
come from hostel, Brahmaputra.
No, I am not talking about the hostel. I am talking about from where have you come? कहाँ से आए हो? और क्या तुम यहाँ पे तुम्हारा main aim है?
My
What's your aim?
aim is to find the radius of the screw judge.
So then you are not in the right class. You should get out of the class right now, and you should go and find the radius of
Sir,
the
I am going to cafeteria. It is birthday of the guy.
जहाँ जाना है जाओ. Now your attendance will be cancelled because
I already kept the biometric.
You have done more notorious things. I have not submitted it. I am even more talented than you. I thought you
Sir,
do
look
such
there,
type
white
of
crow.
activities.
Look there, white crow.
I will not see, and you will do like that.
Sir, white crow, sir, really believe me, sir. Bryophyte.
No, it's not
it is
white
new
crow.
generation, mutation.
Okay.
You can see that, sir.
I can't. So,
Sir, I have submitted the attendance.
no, you are not faster than Rajnikant. So, just you sit
How
down.
dare you speak about Rajinikanth, sir?
So now you just sit and let me complete it. It's going to already complete. So here we have completed how life originated on. It is simple that life originated because from somewhere oxygen came, from somewhere hydrogen came, and they both joined and became water. And in that water, some microorganisms,
is there.
some microorganisms came like you who disturbed the whole
Sir, if
environment.
microorganism came, you should have used Harpic or Domex.
No. If it had been clean, then how do you have been evolved? And how do you have been evolved?
Then
तुम evolve कैसे होते हैं? So see here, okay? So
Sir, then why are you using Domex now?
all those theories which have been given are wrong. Listen my theory. Hydrogen came, oxygen came, they both combined and
Sir,
made
from
water.
where they came?
They came from God.
Tamil Nadu.
No, they came from God, and God dropped one drop of hydrogen and one drop of oxygen, and we had H2, okay, and then the
Sir,
water.
but you said at first there was no oxygen.
There was plenty of oxygen. I was the first organism on this earth. I had all the oxygen in my lungs.
I can see that.
Yeah, I threw it out and so many oxygen were sprayed in the whole. So you can see how easy it was life. So once they sent me to Mars, I can also start life there.
Sir, you forgot one thing now.
No, okay, now the class is already ended. So we will meet in the next class and we will say how life will vanish from the earth. Okay?
Sir,
And there are
thank
three
you.
theories.
Is human.
Yeah, okay, fine. So I am going now.
Sir, what about the last question which you give? Thank you. The plants depend on humans too.
No, do they thank you and the last question देखो last question है कि how the life will originate in the whole universe except on earth. So कल सोच के आना और देखते हैं कौन जवाब देता है. ठीक है.